painter's tape, a pin, a razor blade, a roller, a paint brush, popper tiles, dude, and some Windex, and last of all, some of this shit. This is a beautiful skoolie. I'm gonna be sealing the roof today, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. My brother gave me a cool trick for taping a good line for where your painter's tape needs to go. Take like a stick or whatever, you can rub it on this drip rail, take it the same line, you can see a faint scratch. And starting here, I'm just scratching my way down so I know where my mark needs to be. Then I'll meet that, to here. Got some painter's tape and goofy ass ladder. I'm gonna start at this drip line right here and come on down. Alrighty. My brother was telling me he had a hard time with making some of the corners round and gave me some advice to cheat code this. So I got a piece of light off the bus, literally traced around it to get more of a rounded edge. Needs to be cleaned before I start sealing. Actually, I think I've already cleaned this roof pretty good last time. I'm gonna do one more quick one over. Oh,